Welcome to Fareclock, where we automate timekeeping and control attendance. Hi, I'm Shine, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up costing. Before we start, costing is an optional set of features which enables you to define a list of jobs for which employees may select one when clocking in, or enhance jobs classifications using job faces and cost codes. Costing is available on all account plans. Now let us have the setup. Go to the Fareclock admin console and go to Settings. Under Settings, find and click Costing. Enable the costing features, which are disabled by default. To turn it on, go to the Costing Mode menu and select one of the two available options for enabling costing. The first one is Simple. This mode allows you to enable a job list for which employees clock in. The second one is Enhance. This mode enables more complex job classification, including job faces and cost codes. After you've enabled costing, either Simple or Enhance, you should see a couple more options displayed on the screen. Costing enabled on time clock. If not checked, only admins can add job costing information inside the console. Workers will not be able to select a job on the time clock. The next one is Can restrict admin access to job. If checked, you'll be able to specify whether an admin can access all jobs or only specific jobs. If not checked, all admins will be able to access all jobs. Autofill missing punch address from geofence. If checked and the worker's clock in or out address is not available, then the punch geolocation address will automatically be set to the geofence if any. This scenario includes both admin adding the punch as well as missing geo coordinates. The address will also be used to calculate home travel distance. If not checked, the address will be blank. This setting may be useful for making location tracking consistent as well as for reporting on travel distance. When you enable the Costing Enabled on Time Clock option, additional settings will become available for further configuration. The first one is job selection required to clock in. If checked, they may not clock in without selecting a job. Conversely, if left unchecked, the employee will have the option to clock in either into a job or not. The second one is auto-select job by geofence. If checked and the worker clocks in while inside the geofence for a single job, then the worker will automatically clock into that job without the worker having to view the job list and select a job. If there are multiple jobs in the geofence, then only those jobs will be displayed in the job list. The third one is auto-select single job. Regardless of geofencing, if only one job matches the worker's criteria based on permissions, then that job will automatically be chosen. The fourth one is job transfer enabled on time clock. Job transfer allows an employee who is already clocked in to immediately transfer to a different job. If left unchecked, a clocked employee only has the option to clock out. Of course, the employee could afterwards clock back into a different job, but job transfer lets them do that in one step rather than two. The fifth one is prompt job label on time clock. Jobs can be labeled with the work label in order to classify jobs that share something in common. If this setting is checked, then the time clock will prompt workers to choose a work label to filter down jobs before actually selecting a job from the job list. The last one is workers can add new jobs on the time clock. If checked, workers will have the option to create a new job when clocking in. If not checked, workers may only clock in to a job that already exists. Now let's have jobs. The heart of costing is the jobs list. To go to the list, click on the Jobs tab at the top. You should see a screen list as follows. To add a new job, click the Add Job button located at the top right corner of the screen. You will need to name the job, and there are several configuration options available that you can adjust to suit your organization's needs. In particular, note that permission section can be configured to control for whom and when this job will be an option. For the job phase, if you enable Enhanced Costing Mode, you'll be able to optionally set up job phases. Click on the Job Faces tab located at the top of the screen. After clicking it, select the Add Job Face button located in the upper right corner of your screen. You will need to assign name to the job face. Configuring permissions is optional, though available if needed. Now let's have the cost code. If you enable Enhanced Costing mode, there will also be an option to set up cost codes. Click on the Cost Codes tab located at the top of the screen. After clicking it, select the Add Cost Code button located in the upper right corner of your screen. You will need to assign a name to the cost code. Configuring permissions is optional, though available if needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial in setting up costing. For more guides and tips, be sure to visit our help center at support@fareclock.com. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial updates. Happy time tracking! Bye!